Namaste students. Today's lesson we will explore computational thinking for grade 4. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Shapes Around Us. The first question is, what will come in place of question mark? There is a note, you cannot rotate the images. Great. So as you see, there is a block. From that, they have removed a portion of it. They are asking us to find the resulting image. So let's make note of number of blocks in the question. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here 8, 9, 10. There are 10 blocks, out of which 4 blocks have been removed. So which are those 4 blocks? I believe these 2 blocks are 9 and 10, and the other 2 blocks are 8 and 7. So the remaining blocks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the image which matches the same is option D. Great. Yeah, we go with the next question. The figure below forms a cube when folded. Which of the following options represents a pair of opposite faces of the cube? As we know, a cube has 6 faces. First, let us note down the number of faces here. Let me name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And here, as you see, 1 and 3 makes a pair, opposite sides, and 5 and 6 forms another pair, and 2, 4 are the third pair. Okay, great. So here, as you see, this is the 5th face, and this represents the 4th face. Here we have 1, and this is 4, and here we have 3 and 1, and here we have 6 and 4. Actually, we have noted the actual pairs. So let's find out if we have any of the combination. 5, 4, no. 1, 4, no. And 3, 1, yes it is. So that's the right answer. Great. Okay, the next question is, from a rectangular piece of paper, a shape having which of the following number of angles cannot be formed? Number of angles cannot be formed by making single straight cut. Come again. Making only a single straight cut in any direction. So let us imagine a rectangle. Here we go with a rectangle. Let's have a vertical cut, and I believe we have the small piece of a square, a rectangle, still a rectangle, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So 4 angles can be formed. So this is not the option what we are looking for. Let me cut the rectangle horizontally, and still a rectangle is left. So now there are 4 angles in this rectangle too. Great. So I have cut the rectangle vertically, horizontally. This time let us cut diagonally and check. What we have is a triangle. Great. And as you see, triangle has 3 angles. So option A is not the answer, as 3 angles can be formed. Great. So instead of cutting vertically, horizontally, diagonally, this time let me cut a piece of paper, I mean the small corner from this rectangle, something like this. As you see, we have a pentagon. So pentagon, 5-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. Obviously there will be 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 angles. So option C is also not the option we are looking out for. Therefore, the only option left is angle 6. Great. So there can be 3, 4, 5 angles by cutting a piece of a rectangle, but not 6. Great. Okay. The next question is count the number of triangles in the image given below. Triangle, we all know that it's going to be a three-sided figure, and I see one here, one, two, three-sided figure. So this is my first triangle, and yes, I believe you have found the second one just close to that, the adjacent triangle. 2. Great. I believe that you have the third triangle too. It's here, 1, 2, three-sided figure. And where's the other one? The other one, the other one. Okay, it's over here. 1, 2, 3. So three-sided figure. I have found 4 triangles. Is there any more triangles? This can't be a triangle as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. And this, I guess it's not, as it is 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure, a quadrilateral. And I have the other one here, it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4-sided figure. So therefore I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles in this given image. Great. And our next question is, find the odd one out. Okay. I see a rectangle here and a triangle. I believe this is a square and a pentagon. Okay. Oh, I found the solution for this. I believe this is a triangle. So we have a T, and this is a square. We have the first letter S, and here this is a pentagon where we have P, the initial letter of pentagon. Wait a minute, what this 3 means? I believe it's 3 sides or 3 angles. 4 represents 4 sides or angles. 5, which means 5 sides or 5 angles. Great. But this, yeah, you're right. This is gonna be the answer, as M stands for math. 4 is a side, okay, but M is not the initial of a rectangle. Therefore, the option A is the odd one. Option A is the odd one. Great.